Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Does boiling ham remove salt? Try boiling the ham. If soaking the ham does not remove the saltiness, you can try boiling it. Cut the ham into large chunks and place the meat in a pot of boiling water. Boil the ham for about 10 minutes. This can help leach out any remaining salt. How do I cook a ham that's not salty? Preparation. Soaking the ham overnight in cold water reduces the salty flavor of the ham. Keep the ham submerged in water and refrigerated for 12 to 24 hours. Change the water that you are using to soak the ham every 3 to 4 hours to reduce the saltiness even more. How do you fix a ham that is too salty? Add a teaspoon of distilled vinegar to a medium-sized, over-salted cooked ham before heating it. The acidity of the vinegar will counteract the saltiness and even out the flavor. Pour the vinegar over the ham slowly to cover it evenly. Avoid adding too much vinegar to the ham, which will create a sour flavor. How do you make a smoked ham less salty? Soaking the ham overnight in cold water reduces the salty flavor of the ham. Keep the ham submerged in water and refrigerated for 12 to 24 hours. Change the water that you are using to soak the ham every 3 to 4 hours to reduce the saltiness even more. Can you boil salt out of meat? Remove salt from meat. Put meats cured with salt in a pan with some water, and simmer them for a few minutes. Then, discard the water and continue cooking in a little olive oil. The acid balances the salt. A dish like meatballs is more difficult to fix, because the salt is in the inside of the meat.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.